Hello students, in this video you will find common name or trivial name, IUPAC name, chemical formula, structure of the molecule, electron dot structure of the molecule of some important compound. This is video of part 1. I am going to give you in 2-3 parts. These are most important compounds. You will practice these compounds, and with the help of these compounds you can draw the structure of other organic compounds. First is there methane. Common name methane. Its a source, it is found in marshy areas. This is why name is also given marsh gas. Damp fire, combustible gas, damp areas it is found. Then methane. Its IUPAC name is also methane. Methane. And its chemical formula is CH4. And its structure here C H, like that. Its structure is like this, methane structure. Next, electron dot structure of methane. Here carbon electron is, I am representing carbon electron by black dot, and hydrogen is present over here. Hydrogen electron I am showing here with green dot. This is electron dot structure of methane. Next is now ethane, number 2. Ethane is the name of this compound. IUPAC name is also ethane, and its formula is C2H6. Its structure like this, tetravalent carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then all the 4 valencies are satisfied by single covalent bond. Now here electron dot structure. Here carbon electrons I am showing with black dot, and this is saturated one. One pair of electron here with this hydrogen, and there are 6 hydrogen with this. Hydrogen electron I am representing by here green. Like that. This is electron dot structure of ethane. Now next is propane. Now propane is number 3. Propane. IUPAC name, first letter should be capital, propane. Its formula is C3H8, and here its structure I am drawing. 1, see how to draw 3 carbon atoms, 1, 2, 3. Now draw the structure. 1 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen, 3 3 hydrogen. 4 valencies should be there for each carbon. Structure of propane. Now electron dot structure. For electron dot structure, I am showing here carbon atoms. Here between carbon atoms, electrons, here hydrogen atom, one for other hydrogen atom, here is also for hydrogen atom. Then for hydrogen atoms, I have to show the electrons. Now, hydrogen atoms are here, represented by red dots, hydrogen electrons. Hydrogen electrons are represented by red dots. This is about propane. Now next is butane. Butane is here number 4. Butane. There are 2 isomers of butane. One is, first is normal butane. IUPAC name, here I am writing first normal butane, and another is isobutane. Normal butane, isobutane. Then for this one, normal butane, its name is only butane. And here isobutane, its name is 2-methyl propane. 2-methyl propane. Now its formula is C4H10. C4H10, its formula. Now next, structure of normal butane. Here 4 carbon we have to arrange first, then hydrogen should be there, 10 hydrogen. This is normal butane structure. Isobutane structure is, for this isobutane, this is for normal butane and this is for isobutane. This is isobutane. Two methyl propanes, 1, 2, 3, 2 methyl propane. Electron dot structure. Here 1 carbon, 2 carbon, 3 carbon, 4 carbon. Between the carbon atom, for single covalent bond, there is a pair of electron dot, and then here is these electrons are given by carbon to make bond with hydrogen atoms. Then we can write here hydrogen atoms. Bond is formed by sharing of electrons. Then this is about the electron dot structure of normal butane. Now isobutane electron dot structure, 2-methyl propane. Here first one carbon is here present, one is here, another is there. Now between the carbon there is a pair of dot, another one more carbon is present here as a branch. Then here for one hydrogen, there also for one hydrogen, this is for one hydrogen atom, electrons are there, and we can write now for hydrogen, red dots represent the electrons of hydrogen. Now next is, this is also bonded with hydrogen. Now this carbon electron I have shown with blue dots, like that. Then this is about the structure of 2-methyl propane and electron dot structure. Then 4 compounds I have made here, and one more, number 5 is pentane. There are 2, one is normal pentane and isopentane, like that. But here I am writing one first, normal pentane. Isopentane. And neopentane. Neopentane. All are having same formula. It's same. This one, IUPAC name of normal pentane is pentane. Pentane. And isopentane, 2-methyl isopentane. Two-methyl butane. Two-methyl butane. And neopentane, this is normal pentane. Neopentane. Neopentane is Neopentane is 2,2-dimethyl propane. Two-dimethyl propane. Then this is its name, but all are having same molecular formula, C5H12, and all that structure you will draw for practice. I am giving this, you will practice yourself and you will draw the structure for these isomers of pentane. That's all for this video part number 1. Thank you.